You're coming into more than just a school when you choose TAA as a partner, and I use the word partner intentionally. You are partnering not just as a co-teacher and the classroom teacher, but it's the staff, it's the entire method. And you'll hear that word a lot, method, because the method is incredibly important. It focuses on a source of truth, and it brings the community together, and everybody is working towards the same goal. And that is a Christ-centered classical education that is set apart from all other schools that we've looked at.
It's really been formative in teaching us really what habits to train with our children. What do they want from us? They want time with us. And it's really given us like support, framework, and structure that I think we would really not be where we are today without it.
Yeah, it's really given us a good foundation to develop a process for raising our children.
Absolutely.